Before hiring Clean Corp, one of my biggest frustrations with cleaning definitely had to be consistency. I think one of the hardest things I had to do was keep my place clean. I was always so busy, things would get out of place. Hiring Clean Corp has allowed me to maintain a level of consistency that I wouldn't have been able to do on my own. And it's really nice to have a team in place to help me maintain the cleanliness of my home. What made me choose Clean Corp over other companies in the area were a couple of things. I was really looking for companies that had been in business for quite some time. Clean Corp had been in business for over 20 years. I love that it was woman owned. I love that it was minority owned. But I also paid attention to what the cleaning company used. And so I love that the products are all natural. I have a dog, and so it was really nice to know that the products that were being used were safe for him, as well as me. And I absolutely loved when I heard that they donated cleaning services to cancer patients. I thought that that was definitely a mission that I wanted to make sure that I contributed to. And so that's why I chose Clean Corp over other cleaning companies in the area. After my first cleaning with Clean Corp, I felt such a sense of relief. So much time had been saved. I was able to do other things. And, walk into a clean home was something that it's just undeniable. It was just a moment of feeling such relief. One of the biggest tasks that take a lot of time had already been done, and it was so worth it. And I'm so glad that I did it. My favorite part about having my home cleaned regularly now is simply the fact that it is so much time saved, but having a clean space offers so much room mentally as well. I relieved so much stress, and there's just no better feeling than coming home to a clean house and being able to just relax and unwind from the day and focus on other things that you are interested in. And that was probably the best thing for me about hiring Clean Corp. If a friend or a neighbor were interested in hiring a cleaning service, I would definitely tell them to go with Clean Corp for a multitude of reasons. One, I trust them. Next would obviously be their ability to clean, right? My house always smells fresh. Again, I'm never worried about the products that are being used. And so for me, it's just a win-win situation. They're affordable, making it easy for me to add this into my regular schedule. So I love Clean Corp. Again, I've been a customer for over 6 years now and do not plan on ever going away. I've used them for, regular cleanings, move out services. When I moved into a new apartment, they came in and cleaned for me. So it's just definitely, they're a part of the family now for me. And I love Clean Corp, and I do hope you give them a try as well.